Hey guys, Epic Gamers here. Actually, it's just Oil Cat 2 right now. I'm just doing a little survival alone. And I'm on this awesome server. Right now there's not many people on it because, well, not sure. But yeah, so I collected some wood so you don't have to see that. Got 28 jungle wood. Don't know how I got that name tag actually. But yeah, this server is pretty awesome. Hope to see you guys on it someday. And yeah, so let's get started making our home. I'm a YouTuber, so for some reason I got fly. But pretty cool. And someday I hope we can meet up on this server to, you know, and chillax. I don't know. I'm not really supposed to abuse the flying, but if my voice sounds weird, I don't know. It's just my voice is being a little weird right now. I get some food, Mr. Piggy. And I can't fly. Yeah, I can. Chirp. Okay. So, gotta find a good place to make our home. Oh, damn it. It's inhabited. Suck it, loser. Make a house right here. Okay. Let's claim a plot. Oops. And guess it could be about too small of a claim. Sick. Not too small. We'll be before we go. Like seriously, bro. Well, oh, small house, but still. We're just beginning. We'll get more golden shovels after. Just like and comment if you want me to keep doing this kind of stuff. Someday I'll do this kind of stuff for Jonathan, but he's on vacation right now. He's in, pretty sure it was, Tennessee. Let's make it on the podcast. Oops. Oh, weird. Oops. Did I break something? I think I broke something. Yeah, God, don't worry. That was nothing. That was nothing. Pretty amazing house right now. Any person would be jealous. I mean, look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Like my nickname, Blair Starfish. Look at this awesome fucking house. So big. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm gonna have to stop making out of jungle wood. If I knew how to skip. Oh yeah. If you guys want to make one of those beginning video things, if any of you guys are good artists, just send it in to an email called OreoCat300@gmail.com. Send it into that. You can pause the video here. I'll leave it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. Just didn't want to say my email. So, yeah, I'll just start our survival. I don't see any mobs though. Pretty good. Pretty good. What is this? I forget easily. I knew it one time. Obviously, I would have it. Oh no, it's becoming nighttime. It's becoming nighttime. Oh, he's not sure. What the hell? 6% left to get. 6% left to get. What about the other 900%? Honestly, that makes loads of sense. So he's just gonna get the IP so I can show you guys. Well, he can show you guys probably. Alright, Mr. Pussy Guy. Yeah, this server's pretty awesome. See that, guys? Join that server. Pause it right there. Right there. Right there. Okay. Pause it. Well, this is actually using up a lot of megabytes. 216 megabytes so far. It's being used up just for this video. Beauty house. Everyone loves a multicolor house. I don't need torches. No, I need torches. No. Don't mind at night. Screw it. Don't mind straight down. Screw it. Actually, let's fly. So if I'm about to die, I should fly up. Don't mind at night. I know I'm gonna get up the kid. Yeah, you feel kind of big. Yeah, that song's called Don't Mind at Night. Ooh, iron. Thanks, bro. Clean torch. Don't mind at night. Sorry I'm not on like a single player world, but this server's pretty awesome, so I felt like playing with my buds. Oh, wait. I just have to set home. Oh, damn it. Disabled it. Derp. Derpity derp derp derp. Derp derp derpity derp derp derp. I like these, cause look. Watch this. Watch this. Right in my house. Right in my house. Dash that home. Now I never have to go. Where's the house? Where's the house? Where's the house? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up in the spawn. Dun 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 dun. I wonder if we can get money on this. Do you guys think that's cheating? Getting torches. I don't think it's cheating. But seriously, that's why you should play on this server. Look at all those nice people. As soon as I'm finished my house, maybe wrap up the video. Probably. And then I'll cook my iron while you're gone. Yeah, an achievement. Sick. I probably should have been first. Yeah. 3 furnaces. The spruce door. Dang it, I hate those doors. Wait, unless these are the ones that look like chocolate. Oh no. I like the chocolate doors. I think those are like dark something. Okay, well, come to play on the server. You better. See you here someday. Probably. Better. But better. Better. Peace.